way to go. Sweet na sweet, Batang Playa. Chuchinelli rushing up by the rallies Carmelita. Sweet na sweet, Chuchinelli. Carmelita is racing third, rising up is Easter Hope. On the outside is Pivotal. Celestial racing 6 by the Ral Sugar Daddy. Alongside is Batang Playa. Yes, sir! I'm your Santiago Marifans. Rounding the far turn, Easter Hope is now the leader by some 3 lengths, followed by Sweet na Sweet. Pivotal racing from the outside, Chuchinelli by the rallies Carmelita. Empire Maker alongside Celestial. Entry number 4, yes sir, I'm your Sugar Daddy. Santiago Batang applies Marifans as they race the final corner. 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. Easter Hope, Chuchinelli once again, Sweet na Sweet, Pivotal 8A from the outside. Pivotal, Sweet na Sweet down on the inside is Chuchinelli and Easter Hope. And hitting the finish line, Pivotal by some 3 lengths now, Chuchinelli, Easter Hope, and finally 8A, Pivotal, Chuchinelli. Close for third, Carmelita, Celestial, Sugar Daddy, and close for 6th placers, Marifans, Easter Hope.